Car speed clamp. Car speed test. Rotate the meter to the RPM position. Connect the red plug of the equipment to the V socket of the car instrument, and the black plug to the COM socket of the car instrument. Connect the fixture of the device to the spark plug wire, and mark the arrow on the instrument to point to the spark plug. During the test, the distance between the spark plug and the fixture must be less than 10 centimeters. And place the spark plug in the middle of the jaws. Dwell angle test. Rotate the meter to the dwell angle position.